SQL Response can help us evaluate response times, number of rows or values returned from executing SQL queries using OLEDB or ODBC connections. My name is Christy, and I'll walk through the configuration of SQL Response in this video. It's pretty fast to configure if you have all of the connection information available. To start, in the Unified Service Manager on the upper left-hand side, select the monitor icon to access Nimsoft monitoring configuration. Let's set up SQL Response monitoring. Once the configuration appears, you will see a sample connection already configured, but let's create ours from scratch. Click on the Option button on the top left side and select Add New Connection. Let's fill out a connection using SQL Server. I'm going to give it a connection name and then fill out the appropriate information, including verifying the connection type, typing in the initial catalog, data source, and user ID, and if required, the password. Once we're ready, we can hit Submit, and CA Nimsoft Monitor Snap will test to make sure that the connection is successful. Let's drill down into the connection we just configured, and on the left-hand side, let's choose Options and Add New Query to set up the test. Specify the name, then drill down on the right-hand side. I'll go ahead and activate this test. And then we will need to type in the query that we want to run. If you wanted to make sure that it executes successfully, you can test it by selecting Actions and Test SQL Query on the right-hand side. If it completes, we are good to go. Below, you can find a few checkpoints that we would like to monitor. If we wanted to change the default thresholds, we can do so here. Let's check off Publish Data so we have this information in our graphs and dashboards. And if you want, make sure to have Publish Alarms checked off too. We can save and exit once we're done. Once you get a few sample metrics collected, you will start to see some SQL Response data coming in. For more helpful videos, tips, and tricks, check us out at Snap Central.